Long story short, every one of us has a story to tell. Our classroom is full of novels when it comes to frustration and triumphs. And of course, my section slash strand did not also deviate from that boring cliche fact. Venturing towards our NC3 journey, some months were sacrificed. The rest were put aside, and Fridays were offered to enhancement. Yes, while others were resting at weekends, which is not wrong at all, we were fighting aside. There was a problem. Initially, we planned as 34, but we started as 22, going down to 20, and the most heartbreaking part is that that 20 will now soon become 5. That time, I was also drowning in my thoughts, my own frustration, and I contemplated, if ever, God would grant us the thing that we have always desired for the past 10 months, where is the glory in that part? Where is the success when others were left drowning in their own frustration and without even trying? And as we reach the conclusion of our story, yes, we indeed succeeded. We all passed as 22, and we got our NC3 certificates. But what does this story end up being? Stating this triumph is not for a mere fact of bragging that we all passed, but it is to relay you a lesson that it feels so different when all success will never taste belittled when all of you taste the same thing. Collaboration over competition. Soon as we part ways, some of us will go in college and some of us will venture in life. We all need to be surrounded by an environment fostered by collaboration. We live in a society where early success is greatly romanticized, and we strive so hard competitively to achieve success as early as possible compared to other people. But I want you all to instill this in your mind, that in life, there will never be you or me, but there will be only us and we. And with that, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the significant people who are with us and who are with me in this bumpy road towards finishing senior high school. To my mama and papa, who were eagerly with me in every adventure that their enthusiastic son participated in, I am indeed grateful for the unending support, those restless nights, and contemplating about finances. I definitely hope that I could say this in front of you, nga rest na mo. But I hope that I will soon muster the courage to say that in front of you. And of course, to my friends, the Power Rangers, I am forever grateful for staying firm and for crossing this senior high school together as 5. And of course, to my dearest ABM 12, mga pasawayan banlomo ni Ma'am Jean, I know that I have been tough to all of you this time, especially how competitive we've been. But remember that those efforts will always lead to the same path, which is for us to achieve success. I am grateful for the unexpected friendships, treasured memories, and the lessons we learned through watching Karelasyon, and especially the bonding of playing games that we did not even expect who the killer was. But all of those things, one thing that I will always hold a grip on is the loud noises that your mouth made. The loud noise of reklamo, chika, and the great topics. Thank you all. And of course, to our BFF section, the STEM 12 class, who tirelessly walked their way for over a year across the covered court. Thank you for making our session much more elevated. I am offering you my gratitude as well. Thank you for creating core memories that we will surely cherish. Let us all bring our bond of ABM and STEM in our future endeavors. And as what our section or strand says, Arriba ABM STEM. And to my Dirizalit fam and Antogatog, and of course to our paper advisors, Ma'am Angel Guevara, Ma'am Leia Atay, and especially to Ma'am Aranas, who were always Gina G to every gimmicks and plays that we could ever think of during our press conference. Those days will surely be cherished and reminisced on, ma'am. Thank you all. And of course, I would not finish this speech without extending my heartfelt gratitude to our very supportive advisor, to our very competitive and enthusiastic Ma'am Jean. Thank you for making our journey much more meaningful. Our teacher, our second parent, our sister, or even our friend. Our journey would not be meaningful without her presence. Those restless nights and review days where we eat pansit nga gisagulag beef loaf, we're waking up with the buzzes of calculators in the morning, where some of us chose to stay because Ma'am Jean will surely bring pandesal and kape, nga lamig kaayo. And the freshly baked bread and the boiling tea nga gikan nila ang J. Of course, I will be forever grateful for all those things. And the greatest graduation gift of all is our NC3 certificates. Ma'am, on behalf of ABM 12, no words can truly equal your sacrifice to us, ABM 12. On behalf of my section, I am extending my heartfelt gratitude. And to our alma mater, the Rizal National High School, we are thankful for shaping us to become better citizens to our beloved country. And above all, we thank you, Almighty God, for hearing our prayers and for these triumphs that you made possible. Thank you so much. And as I reach my conclusion, let me all remind you again to always choose collaboration over competition. Life does not need to be faced alone when you can have a companion. Because in our future endeavors, as the sun rises and a new day will soon shine upon us, one finger cannot hold a pebble alone, but a hand does. Again, congratulations batch 2024 to 2025, and may the odds be ever in our favor. God bless and goodbye. Thank you.